called Maremma sheepdogs. They're from these mountains.
They look like white labs.
Or
Yeah, they're
golden,
kind of
Almost like a
golden retriever.
Yeah, they're kind of a cross of I don't know. They look like kind of different things. They're actually a very old breed of dog, and they've been in these mountains for hundreds or thousands of years. There's even ancient Roman literature about them. And their only job is to keep the sheep safe from wolves. That's all they do. Wow. It's a 24/7, 365 job.
And, I mean, they like. It looks like a wolf would tear them apart.
Well, the thing is, we have a lot of dogs, and they're not
Yeah,
so many.
hey,
There are no big
yeah.
packs of wolves. So
Right.
she's deaf.
Yeah, hey.
Yeah.
You know, we want smaller females like her,
Uh-huh.
and then he's quite a big boy. If you see him standing up, he's a big dog like him.
Yeah.
So the females have to be fast, and the boys have to be
Big.
Yeah,
Yeah.
big.
Do they ever get into altercations?
Oh yeah, all the time. Yeah.
Do they really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is the time of year where the wolves are at their quietest because it's so hot, and the wolves go higher to the mountains, and when you get snow up there, they start coming down.
So do you lose any dogs to the wolves?
Every once in a while, we lose a few sheep here and there too, but generally it's a pretty good balance. Like she is a very small. She was the runt of the litter, but she's got a tough character. We need girls like her.
That's our
because-
Mabel, our youngest.
Yep.
We think was the runt of the litter. She is the system.
She's a biter, honestly.
Huh?
He is a
She's like
biter.
Mom.
Is that a compliment?
No, she bites.
She is.